So I wanted to make a bracket and bin for my 3D printer. I modeled from scratch in SolidWorks. After designing it on paper with some basic measurements, I took to modeling. The bracket fits perfectly for the Anycubic Kobra S1, and the bin is removable for easy emptying. Okay, so that was a little less than perfect. But that should do fine, considering it's just on the back. Okay, so that'll lock on fine. Now, the real test. Is if these fit. Okay, so that's now this. And then we can drop that in like that, so that comes out. That'll work. Easily pop it off.